Our world, and the universe beyond, is filled with wonders far stranger than fiction. Every day, we pass by mysteries hidden in deep oceans, distant planets, and even within the biology of the animals we share this planet with. Nature seems to revel in the extraordinary, constantly challenging what we believe is possible. Today, I want to take you on a journey. From the caves of Mars, to the skies of Venus, from bizarre weather events on Earth, to the biological marvels of creatures you thought you knew. These are real phenomena, grounded in science, yet so mind-blowing they might just reshape how you see reality. Ready to see the unbelievable? Let's go. Let's begin on Mars, our dusty red neighbor. In the Tharsis region, scientists have discovered enormous dark pits, vast skylights into underground lava tubes formed by ancient volcanic activity. These aren't just holes in the ground, they're possible gateways into untouched Martian caverns, shielded from radiation, preserved from the harsh surface. They might even hold frozen water, or signs of microbial life. But for now, these silent depths remain unexplored, waiting patiently for us to unlock their secrets. Back on Earth, something truly surreal happened in 1997, in the quiet coastal village of La Parguera, Puerto Rico. Locals witnessed a rainstorm, but instead of water, it brought down octopuses, crabs, and sea creatures from the sky. How? The culprit was a waterspout, essentially a tornado over the ocean. These powerful columns of wind can suck up marine life and transport them through the air. When the storm weakens, its strange cargo falls to Earth, creating a moment that feels like myth but is pure meteorological reality. On Venus, the most inhospitable of our planetary neighbors, things get even stranger. While Earth has snow made of water, Venus experiences metal snow. Its intense heat causes certain metals, like lead sulfide, to vaporize. These metallic vapors rise into the atmosphere, cool down and condense into flakes, falling back to the surface as a shimmering metallic snowfall. This deadly glittering frost settles on mountaintops, creating one of the most alien weather patterns in the solar system. Now dive into Earth's oceans, home to the largest animal that has ever lived, the blue whale. It's not just the size of its body that amazes, it's the size of its heart. Weighing over 400 pounds and about the size of a small car, the blue whale's heart is a biological marvel. Its massive aorta is wide enough for a child to crawl through. Every beat pumps an incredible amount of blood, and can even be detected from miles away using sonar. This creature is a reminder of how extraordinary life on Earth can be. Now for one of the strangest truths of all, time itself is not fixed. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity bends space-time. The closer you are to a massive object, like the Earth's core, the slower time moves. That means someone living at sea level experiences time just a little bit slower than someone living on a mountaintop. The difference is tiny, just nanoseconds over a lifetime, but it's measurable. In other words, we're all moving through time at slightly different speeds depending on where we stand. And finally, one last fact that sounds like fiction. Koalas have fingerprints. And not just random ridges, fingerprints that are so similar to humans, they can actually confuse forensic investigators. Despite being marsupials and not primates, koalas evolved this feature through a process called convergent evolution. Their prints help them grip eucalyptus trees, just as ours help us hold tools. It's a beautiful example of how nature sometimes arrives at the same elegant solution in completely different species. These are just a few glimpses into the vast, wild, and wonderful reality we're part of. Mystery is not something to fear, it's something to cherish. It sparks curiosity, fuels discovery, and connects us to the story of the universe. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, because the raining octopuses and Martian caves, they're just the beginning. Thank you for joining me on this journey.